right, great, Surya. Take it away.
Okay. Hey everybody, thanks for joining today's session. And today we are going to talk about my site collaborative features. And we are going to cover some of the topics, basic topics about my site and my content about these basic stats. And I'm going to show you a demo after each slide. So let's get started now. Today's session is about my site collaborative features. About me, my name is Surya Begum. I'm from India. So I work with WebTech Solutions as a support team leader. And our website is webtechsolutions.co.uk. And we do support for Office 365, technical support, customer support, and our Office 365 website. And our primary focus is on Microsoft Office 365 support. And we do migrations, SharePoint solutions, and consulting. You can find me online on my blog. It's suryawebtech.blog.com. You can follow me on any social networking site, Twitter, LinkedIn. So if you have any queries, comments, or questions, you can please drop me an email to suryabegum@live.com. Today's session and today's agenda. First one, we are going to look about my site features. Second is adding colleagues. Third, my content. Creating blog in my site. Newsfeed settings. First, we are going to look about my site features. So what is my site? My site enables users to share information about themselves and their work. And they can easily collaborate with my sites. My site, a user can access my site by clicking a username. A user can access my site by clicking his username and selecting my site. Your my site is a hub, so you can connect with your network within your company. Next, we are going to look about my site colleagues. First, we are going to look about adding or removing colleagues in my site. So, to add a colleague in my site, I'm just going to show you a demo on adding a colleague. We have a demo account here. This is the team site. Click on the name, username, so you can get into my site. This is the my site homepage. So now we are going to add a colleague. Sorry. Now click on my colleagues. To add a colleague, just click on add colleague. Enter the name of the colleague. You can just check add to my team. You can give yes or no. You can add to a group, an existing group, or you can create a new group. You can select who can see this colleague. You can select everyone, or my colleague, or my team, my manager, or only me. So I'm selecting my colleagues. You will get a suggested colleagues here. You can just select whom you need to add, or just click on add to add a colleague. So the colleague has been added here. Then next, we are going to remove a colleague. So again, you can just click on this colleague, click on remove colleague. You get a warning message. Just click on OK to remove a colleague. So next, we are going to see about my site, my content. My content lets users to save their documents as personal documents or shared documents. Shared documents can view by everyone, and the personal documents can view only by the user. And I'm going to show a demo on adding a document to your page. So click on My Content on the team side. Now you see Shared Documents here, Personal Documents. You can just click on Add Document to add a document to the shared document. If you want to add a personal document, you can click on here to add a personal document. And here you can create a blog in my site. You can see here creating a blog. Click on Create Blog. So do you see this? You can see this default post here. Welcome to your blog. Now you can edit this post, or you can just create a new post here. You can just click on Create Post. Give the title to the post. Here you can select a category. It's other or personal blog, or a work blog, or just select other. So I'm clicking on work. You can just save as a draft or publish it. Now I'm clicking on publish. So the blog title has been added here. So next you can manage your post here, manage comments. You can click on manage post to manage your posts here. And you can go back and click on manage comments. So if you get any comments, it will be listed here. And you can click on launch blog program to post it from an Office application to this blog. So just we see about my site, my content, creating a blog. The next we are going to see about newsfeed settings. For newsfeed settings, click on My Newsfeed. Just give me a moment. For newsfeed settings, click on My Newsfeed. You can click on Newsfeed Settings. Now you can see the newsfeed settings here. You can share your interest here, like SharePoint Online, Office 365, like that. And you can select the email notifications here. You can select Notify Me when someone on my profile. You can just select this option, if someone add you as a colleague, you can get a notification, and you can just send your suggestions for new colleagues and keywords. This is the one you can see your activities you're following. You can just select which one you need here. You can see you can uncheck the profile update. You can uncheck the new blog post. You can uncheck status message. So you can just manage your newsfeed settings, and you can click on save and close. The next we are going to see about tags and notes. So you can add tags and notes to documents, pages on a SharePoint site inside your organization. You can also write a note on your colleague's profile. You can just like a page by hitting I like it tag. To go to the tags and notes, click on my profile. Now click on tags and notes. Now you can see the pages you liked it. Here you can see the pages you liked it. Here you can see the activities, the recent activities you followed. You just blogged about here, you just blogged, and you can just click on, I like it tag. So you can just see here the home page, the team site is the team site, and the home team site and the team site has been liked. The list of tags appears on the left. You can see here the list of tags appears on the left here, and you can just click on here to follow this tag in my newsfeed, or add to ask me about in the profile. So to refine it, you can refine the tags by notes, private, and public. If you click on notes, it will refine the tag. If you click on private, you can just see the private tags. You can just refine by clicking on public. You can see the public tags here. If you want to make the public tag as private, you can check this option, make private. Click on private, you can see the tag here. You can just sort it by alphabetically or by size. So you can see the tags and notes in your My Profile page. And here, the next I'm going to talk about the My Site administration feature. It's about organization browser. So organization browser lets the user to build an organization hierarchy with the user profiles. So organization browser can be viewed with Silverlight installed. With organization browser, user profile can be created and configured to get an organizational hierarchy. Organization browser can be viewed under each user's profile, My Profile site. So I'm going to show you a demo on creating an organization browser in My Site. So let's get started creating an organization browser. Here click on Click on My Profile. Now, do you see here Organization Browser? Click on it. So now just see the administration account as demo account. So to bring the users as the organization hierarchy, you need to configure the user profile. To configure the user profile, you can configure the user profile here. Now let's show you in demo on creating a user profile. To create a user profile, you need to go to the site collection, administration, so click on admin. In the Office 365 administration page, you can click Manage under SharePoint to manage your site collections. So here you can create a user profile. Click on Manage User Profile. Click on Manage User Profile. And now, to create a user profile, click on Manage User Profile under People. Now you can find the profiles here. You can just type in a name and click on Find to find an user profile here. I just type in a name and click on Find. You can see the account name here. Click on the drop-down menu here. Click on the arrow. Now click on Edit My Profile. You can see the user profile here. You can see the title, the job title, department, the first and last name. Now, to create a user profile, to create a hierarchy, now just you need to give a manager name under this user. I'm giving the manager name here. Now click the check names. Click on Save and Close. The user profile has been created with the manager name. Again, type in another name. You can type in another name. Now click on the arrow mark. Click on Edit Profile. Now on this user, give a manager name. Now click on Save and Close. Now I'm giving another name too. Now click Save and Close. So let's see here on the team side. Now click on Organization Browser. Need to log in again. Let's check here again. Let's hit Save and Close again. Let's click here. Some issue with the browse. So in another demo account, this is also a demo account. Some issues with that account. So here, click on My Site. Click on My Profile. Now you can see here the organization chart has been created here with the user profiles. Click on Organization Browser. So now you can see here, this is the demo account here. This is the administrator. You can see the 2 users under this account. You can click here, see the hierarchical view. So here you can see this is the managing director. Here this is supervisor. If you click on here, below the CEO, you can see the 3 users. And this also can be done without synchronization with Active Directory. Just with the user profiles, you can just create an hierarchy, organization hierarchy. See here. So we just see about creating organization browser. Now, to learn more about support, Office 365 support service, you just go to this website, just check on our support plans. For Office 365 online help on creating users, adding users, you can just go to this online help.microsoft.com. For Office 365 for enterprise, you can just click on this URL. To know more about SharePoint, you can just always log into community.office365.com. And there is a tool, Office 365 troubleshooting tool in the community. So you can just troubleshoot it by yourself. To participate in the community, you can come on to community.office365.com. So I'm ending up with today's session. So here you can drop in your question and answer if you have.
Great. Well, thank you so much. That was a great presentation.